no, let me...
Hello YouTube, what is up? Jared Wolf here. So right now I'm going to be doing a nerf battle with my friend Zieve. He's running away right now. He's getting to position. What? Alright, text me when you're ready to start. Alright, so I'm walking to my position right now. This is Zieve's place, who's my friend. This is his place. I'm gonna really enjoy this. I really hope you guys enjoy this too, because it's gonna be really fun. I will try to put his link in the description below. His name is Prime Kid. I will show you him at the end of the video. This will be fun. Oh, also make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and make sure to hit the bell to get notified when I upload. I'm sorry I had trouble with that, but it's been a long time since I've made a video. So I really hope you enjoy this. Now, this is his place, so I don't actually know if he has any secret entrances, like around the park. I don't know what's wrong with my nose. I just keep sniffing. I'm waiting for him to text me. But in the meanwhile, comment in the description below if you have any Nerf guns, and if you do have any Nerf guns, put how many Nerf guns you have in the description below. I would really appreciate it. Just to show your love for me, if you have. But sorry, that was weird. Just waiting. All right, start in 1 minute. So I'm gonna start in 1 minute. 1:57. I'm gonna start. We're gonna start at. Yeah. You know, I'll start. So we're gonna start in 1 minute. So I think he's just doing his intro now for his video. I'm gonna try to make this a long video. I mean, because my last video was about 3 minutes and I deleted it because it was way too short. This is my gun. Pretty sick, right? Pull this, shoot, ba-bang, ba-boom. Alright, actually, I don't know what time it is. I have to leave his house around 4:30 to get home by 5, or my mom's gonna be mad at me. Alright. I'm gonna start in about 17 seconds. This will be fun! So I think we're gonna do like 3 rounds, something like that. I don't have that much ammo because I don't have 2 guns. I will try, this might be mostly a vlog, but I will try to show you him if I can. Alright, we're starting now. Zieve, we're starting! He does really long intros for some reason. Oh, yo, I see him. Just gonna cock my gun. Okay. I don't know if you can see him. That's him right there. It's him. He sees me. You know, I've never actually done, so I'm just taking cover. I've never actually done a Nerf battle before. Oh, I think he's charging me. I've never actually done a Nerf battle before in his apartment. He's one of my school friends. He's going through the garden. He's going through the garden. I know where he is, but he doesn't know that I know where he is. Oh, he's right there. Yo, I just see him. You see him? All right. I'm gonna try to shoot. Try to get him. It's gonna be fun. Taking cover. You can't run! Missed. Did I get you?
No, I missed.
Time? Why time? Oh. Did I get you?
No.
That counts.
No,
Yes, that. Did I get you?
no.
What? Did I get you? No! Okay. This is insane. I can't get him. You can't get me either. My shoes are untied. Yo, T, my shoes are untied. T-shoe. My shoes are untied. And reload break. Gotta tie my Kyrie's. I need ammo. You can't take all the ammo.
Don't shoot, don't shoot. Don't shoot. Don't shoot.
Another bullet over here. Taking as many bullets as I can. I need them. Alright, we're gonna go at him again. I definitely got him like 5 times. Said I didn't. He doesn't make any sense. But I actually can't see him right now. I wonder where he is. I heard him. I see him. He doesn't. He's right there. You just dropped like 5 bullets on the floor. I got your leg.
I know.
It's 1 down.
Yeah,
Oh, okay, guys.
After I hit you.
So we each got 2 lives. Wait, did you hit me?
After I hit you, you have to retreat.
You do? So I hit you 2 times?
No, you hit me once.
All right. I hit him once.
Okay, let's actually retreat.
No, I'm not redoing it. So I just hit him once. I won that round. We're gonna do another round.
Yeah.
We're gonna do another round. So this is Zieve. Check out his channel. He's a really nice guy.
From kids.
From Kids, yeah. Jared Wolf.
Oh shit.
All right, that's the timer.
4:30.
It's 4:30.
Yeah.
Let's do one more round.
One more round.
All right. Turns out we're only gonna do 2 rounds.
Yeah, but you don't have to film now.
Yes, I do. Please don't stop. I have a bullet. No, I need so many.
I need a
bullets.
bullet. I need one more bullet. I need one more bullet.
What? I need 3. All right.
You got an extra bullet?
No,
I'm not full. Are you full?
no, I'm not full. I got 4.
Take a one.
Alright, whatever. Alright, I'm gonna go back to my place. Tell me when you're ready to start. Alright. We do 2 rounds. We're gonna do another round. If it's a tie, it's a tie. You know we both win. We're both friends. It's fun. If I win, yeah! Go Jared Wolf. He wins, tie. So he can't really win. Because if he wins, it's just gonna be a tie. But if I win, I win. I'm positive I'll win. I hope I win. I'm just retreating back to my little place because he was scared. There's a lot of sunlight in this shot. Is that better? So remember, go down in the description and write if you have any Nerf guns, and if you do have Nerf guns, write how many. So, this is so fun. And I definitely do recommend this, but don't do it in a place where there are people, because then those people get mad. It's really annoying. We're gonna do a Coke and Mentos challenge, but we're also in a public garden, so can't really do that. Okay, he just texted me to start again. So, we're gonna have some fun second round. Have a lot of fun. Alright, second round, starting now. Remember the secret entrance from before? Yeah, he's probably gonna take that again. I told you there were secret entrances here that I didn't know about. That's why he's lucky. But I used to live in a place where there were secret entrances to Nerf battles. But guess what happened? No more. Because I moved twice in 1 year. A lot, right? I don't know why I did that. Alright. I live in the NY. Okay. It's right there. See him? Right there. Alright. What? Oh yeah. So if we get shot once, we have to retreat. And remember, 2 shots, dead. shoot you? I didn't get you? Did that get... Yo, this gun sucks. It barely shoots far. No time.
I'm not filming.
All right, he's not filming, so we have to
restart.
No, we don't. Just get your phone and you'll cut that part. But you didn't get me. All right, he's deciding what he's doing. What? What? Yeah, I know. I said that to my crowd. No, I'm not going all the way back there. Okay. Ready, Zieve? The gun's cocked. All right. Gun's cocked. I'm gonna try this gun, round 2. Ready? Start! All right. He's right there in the distance. He's there in the distance. When I start shooting, I will show you the footage. Oh no! I accidentally shot. Oh god! That's just another bullet down. I need 4. You talking about me, hon? Oh my god! I just got missed. That did not. Got you.
You got me.
And you got me too. All right, we gotta go. All right, no, we're gonna reload.
Yeah, reload. So we're reloading right now. We're reloading.
We're doing a reload break. I wounded him. We're both wounded.
We're both retreating.
Oh my god, guys. So I have to retreat back to my side really fast. Because I don't want him to get me and sneak attack me. Yo, there's so many bullets. I am so lucky. Extremely lucky. More bullets. Ready? You ready, Zieve? Alright. I just went halfway because I didn't want to go all the way to my side. He's charging like a rhino! If I shoot you from here, game's over, buddy. Buddy. No more. Missed. Did I get you?
No. Did I get you?
Nope. Got him. I won.
No, we have 3 lives.
Oh, we have 3 lives. I shot him for 2. He's supposed to get me 2 times. I just have to get him 1 more time. All right, retreat back to your side. All right, do it. All right, let's just now retreat for the last round.
I got you.
You got me? You got me?
You have to retreat now. You have to retreat.
No, I don't. We said no retreating for the last round.
No, we said retreating.
All right, so we both have 1 more life. This is actually gonna kind of scary. So I don't want to die. All right, start. Actually, no. I have 2 bullets. I need more. Another reload break. Reload break. I have 2 bullets.
I need 1 bullet.
What?
We'll honor supply that when either of us shoots, that's when we get second.
Okay, yeah. All right, we're gonna start in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, that was a good shot. Did I get you?
No.
Did that even shoot? No, it didn't even shoot. I got 3 bullets left, fam. Missed. I think that went in the fountain. Did I get you?
No.
Yes, I got him. I got him on the leg. I got him on. No, that.
That hit my gun. Fine, we're gonna call it a tie.
No. All right. I really won, but he's calling it a tie. So I won 2 rounds. It's gonna be fun. All right. I will see you guys in the next vid. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell notifications, and